Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to fix the Viber activation failed error in 2026 so you can activate your account successfully again. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix Viber activation failed, first you must verify your details. You must ensure that your country code or phone number are entered correctly. The second is disabling all VPNs. If you have VPN active, whether on your PC or on your phone, you must disable it quickly. For the next one is switching networks. You can toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable connection. For the next one is to wait for at least 24 hours. Because if you have entered the incorrect verifications, you could wait for 24 hours so you can try again. After that is reinstalling and updating Viber. Make sure that your Viber is up to date, and you can always reinstall and install Viber if there are any more complications. And for the last step is clearing the app cache and data. In order to do that, I'm currently in my iOS, but this also goes for Android. In order to do that is go first to settings, go to general, or in Android is apps. After going to general, go to iPhone storage, search for Viber, and I can offload app. In Android, you can go to storage, then tap clear cache and clear data. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.